bumbo clot, you won't leave me alone. Sorry.
How long time I don't see you?
For the rascal, you won't leave me alone, man. You just have to fuck around people, and when people talk now, you know, see a man say, them man no bumbo clot, Christian. Man, you rascal, yeah, man. You know the mood today.
When you come, yeah, give me about 100k price, yeah? Base up 30 kilos and give me 100k price, yeah? Bumbo clot. Yeah, we build up on the same bill, yeah? Okay, same meanwhile, okay? Alright, me ras.
Oh my God.
So me don't see no tongue go. How many tongue there? The bumbo clot with me tongue there. Pussy what bumbo clot. Alright.
I'm saying about
Just
waste
to find and go find a plate after them pussy what.
I mean, I forgot to drop in the $100. I mean,
I'm going to show you it.
yeah, can you take me to last Monday, you get it for a different price?
Oh, no. Hello, what is that?
Yo, Louis.
Ah, the nobody gets in. I don't know.
Man, your friend, man, I deal with Mr. Harsh.
You understand? Me don't know him, you know.
Oh,
and
God.
that is what we hear he kept on saying. Me and you are friend, me and you are friend.
What are we have, man?
You say, me how long am my friend bar?
And I don't know him mother this.
That means when you put on something for him, you come over to friend bar. My friend.
Man, your friend, no, man.
Brown girl, you know into today.
Man, your friend, no, man. That have your cheapest enemies, bro.
I don't know him. I tell him, leave me alone. Leave me alone. And he don't stop follow me up, you know. He there behind me with his dumb phone all the while with his dumb phone. You understand what I mean?
Then I get phone done by one, man. I'm going to give my buy a drink for a man and a half.
If I don't know you, I don't need anything from you.
You remember, say, call me go up, man.
Oh, yeah, go in. I'm saying, no, man.
Eh? Oh, you see a sexy girl, then?
Fuck girl in a back shot. Back shot and mid shot.
Eh?
Yeah, man, mid shot and pussy.
Yeah?
Back your fist in and pussy.
And tandem, man, what?
Tandem.
Eh? Yeah. Where you say you use a sexy girl, then?
When those people have one feel up to that, shoot me that pussy in tandem.
Eh?
Tandem, boss, bow, bow, bow.
So where you say a
Yeah,
sexy
this
girl?
shot they come fly like a chuo.
Eh?
This shot fly like a chuo.
Where you
Eh,
this charge what?
Peter, like I said the Bible. Peter, like I said the Bible. When I put some fly on my mouth,
You want to pussy fly in your mouth?
yeah, I buy 2 pairs of to bring a bush for I see that.
Eh, so when you have fuck you, where you use?
You pussy stink, pussy stink,
Yeah, so where you say you use? Where you say you use when you have a sexy girl?
So good.
Where you use a sexy girl?
Would you talk about it? And just tell me about your poop and I'm about poop. No, man, I tell you, you might give me a rope. Flash a rope. And you go to cook on the table down. I'm the one beer. I cheese there in by the beer. You cheese make it DJ in the morning. About 2019.
Yeah.
And Mikey said, why go fucking girl, man? Why go fucking? He can feel the mood. He can go on the stage there. He can, beside washing up the mouth. Poop.
Yeah, girl, poop in your mouth.
And he can put post there and he goes post up mouth. And he can poop on me. And he can put poop.
Like blood clot all woman razor. And them if you go look and fuck and live in school picking them. Then you big old tough man. Look for a man like me now. Me could have seen one little school picking your pass and say more and every fuck. Eh? No, no, you're reaching the stage. Look how much bumbo clot all over the road, man. So man, they are pussy big and broad like blood clot flatbridge. You know, go look them. Yeah. They look school pit, they are virgin, you know. You know, they cut that problem. Them pussy, they quite dead. I say, any one of them falling on my trap. You want to cut that trap. Anytime one of them pussy, they fall in on my trap. Yeah. The government now hold him before me. Me I hold him before the government. Yeah. Because I know what I do with you. Yeah. Damn road. Damn fucking out that. Let people them pick go to school, go learn, man. Take in education. Yeah. They are worried that set of them again. Yeah. Kidnap the people them picking, yeah. Rape, yeah. Kill. When you left you picking their yard, no. Yeah. Go on to school. When you look, it's 6 o'clock you know coming, yeah. 7 o'clock you know coming. Yeah. Daylight you know coming, no contact him. When you realize you go find him a blood clot bush dead. So all tough thinking would cocky blood clot man. Pussy you want, you go fuck cow bush. Yes. And fuck goat. Yes. If you put on up and you go fuck some farm animal, and fuck donkey. And go fuck donkey. You come and take all the people in school, picking up galang with them and go. When you done fuck, yeah. You go kill. Yeah. If you mean that fuck them and make them come back mash up even though I'm scared upon them. Yeah. You know, but you know. No. But you kill them because what? They know you. Yeah. And you're afraid of prison. Yeah. So you kill them because you know them and they know you. Yeah. Like you that. Feel like one man I go left and carrying and come up yourself. Yeah. You can just take one school business up and you don't know anything. Are you the drunk when I come into where I watch the people and pick the long bumbo cloth time? Yeah. Are you a do it? Of course. I'm not play with nothing of them people. Make them this bad. Them bumbo cloth, they feel like them. They not like me, you know. And I tell them all the while, you can't plan to kill me in time, because one life me have. And when me dead, me dead. Dead today, dead tomorrow, the same bumbo cloth dead. Don't dead no at all, no? I want dead. No at all, no.
Yes, to all of the people who want to keep a local Christmas gathering and sing thing for this Christmas, please me ask you, please. I see you got to look sing thing and put for a plate for what you and fish, you know. Because you know when you go do the fish and the bami and thing. Yes, don't watch the fish dog. Fish is just a food from Jamaica. But listen, I know we're not going to do the fish and bami and same thing. Sometimes we are very hungry and we are coming over by when you look gathering to save our life. We can end up dead. Because you see the local fish them when I give away with the whole about them. The bone them kind of stuck them short. So if please when you not keep gathering for this Christmas, may I ask you please, if you could just get your good sized fish when I have the little small bone them when I stuck it on my throat. I am grateful for what you are going to give me for this Christmas, but please may I ask you please, if you could just get your big style good snapper and tap with the little banga fish them when you get out the river, because one stuck in my throat the other day and until now writers as well. So please with the little Christmas gathering, get your good sized fish with plate them. Love out half of the banga them, half of the one them we are stuck them in throat. One of them turned cross with them throat the other day. Alright? Please.